Today we discussed up to the point where Shockley-Queisser limit, which theoretically assumed that efficiency of photovoltaic cell is only 33.7%. Now we'll be discussing more ahead. To improve the efficiency, we have come up with an idea of adding or incorporating nano subatomic particles, which is seen, for example, in advanced solar panels nowadays, that there are thin wires which are called nanowires or quantum wires, which is thinner than our hair, human hair, up to 1 in 10,000 times that of human hair, and less than that of one ray of sunlight. So this, according to a Nature Photonics paper published by them, we see that when a layer of this nanowires or quantum wires is being placed on top of photovoltaic cell, it funnels down all the light coming from the sunlight and condenses it and passes through the photovoltaic cell and increases its efficiency up to 15 times. Now, the salmon is literally getting heated up. We also know that the nanowires acts like an harvest to the heat. It also converts the photovoltaics into thermal photovoltaic cell, which is also known as it absorbs not only light, now it absorbs heat. That means it makes it 2 times efficient than the ordinary photovoltaic cell. A study in Brooklyn University gave new nanoparticles was being made out of nano-size gold and magnesium fluoride, which was a material which used to make sure after the heat is being generated, the heat loss which takes place usually in photovoltaics is almost 90%. So to reduce this, we used to change the direction of the heat according to the wavelength of the sunlight. This made the traditional type of solar photovoltaics more advanced way of using all the heat and light coming from the sun and making it more efficient. After 150 years, now we see that we have more efficient type of using the sunlight energy. But there are limitations for this process. The limitations only is that we need to make sure that the nanowires takes a lot of accuracy and precision, which means you need to invest a lot of money to make. Only about just by using a thin layer of that might be cost more fortune, so it's not economical. As well as there is another thing which we found that is called as solar dots, nanodots. These dots were like almost very small compared to that of the wire, which was almost like 3 million of it could cover our human thumb. So this could be used. Now we know that the solar panels which are being used are opaque, which doesn't allow the light to pass through it. When you keep it in front of your doors, it makes your room dark. So you keep it on top of your roof so that there is no problem for you. Now these dots can be used in your windows, and also it could light up your lamp beside your window, which acts like an solar window. But this also costs really expensive, and also this research has to be taken place so that this is more safe as well as more economical by using biomaterials. But still we need to have research. That means more money has to be invested in this process.